Welcome everyone to MERASALON Business App's 5th tutorial video. In this video, we will learn how to view details of our clients. For this, you need to click on the Clients section. As soon as we click here, this screen will appear before us. Here we can see the client's name, mobile number, and if they have any balance, then we are seeing their complete list. We can also search here by entering the name or mobile number. As soon as we click on the client's name, we have 3 more options. 1. Ledger. 2. Receipt. 3. Details. Let's click on Ledger. Here it shows us when the client visited, how many times they came. From here, if we want, we can also see the details of the billing. By clicking on that bill, when did they come, what services did they take, which staff attended to them, how much was the bill, how much they paid, and how they paid, everything. Let's go back to the list. Here the second option is showing receipt. Click on it. Here, if the client owes us some money and they are just coming to pay without taking any service, then you can receive the money. You can receive cash or online, and you can also write some notes here. Then click on Receive Amount, and your money will be received. The third option here is for details. Here we can see all the personal details of the client such as their address, birthday, anniversary. In the next video, we will learn how to view appointments. Thank you for staying connected with us.